Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Venom Send subscription. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to open their official website. And I know by mistakenly you have subscribed their subscription by known your knowledge. So this is the easy way to cancel your subscription. Don't worry about this thing. Okay, so first of all open their official website, and once we are on their official website there is a three lines at the right side. Okay, left side, sorry, there is a three lines. You need to tap on these three lines, and once you tap on these three lines you will see this kind of options. There is a button also like manage subscription. Now you need to click on manage subscription, and then you need to select this kind of option. Like in this email, in this box you need to provide your email ID, email address. When you place your order you have provided your email, which is your registered email ID. You need to provide your email, and once you provide your email then you need to select send subscription quick link. Okay, so when you click on, when you select this option send subscription quick link, they will send you a link in your email. Okay, and by using the link you can log in into your subscription account and you can cancel your subscription on that page only. And each and everyone will get different login page, so that's why I'm not going to show this kind of information. So in your case, in your email ID you will get a link, and when you log in it will redirectly, you can like provide you link to your subscription page. Okay, and by using this way you can cancel your subscription of Venom Sends. Okay, now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.